Well, here's a glance at the 6 for 14 you took there in 1984-85.
And it is going to be Imran from the pavilion end to face him, Ravi Shastri. And there's the first delivery with a deafening roar of approval of this packed stadium. There's an appeal for LBW and he's out! The first ball and sensations here at the Sharjah cricket ground. Imran traps Shastri, LBW, and this crowd here erupts. Sirikant facing Imran. That's up in the air, he could be gone out, and yes, he's gone. The short pitch delivery, and Sirikant, a very tentative shot, and he's out, caught at square leg, and just look at the Pakistan half of the supporters. There's an appeal for a catch behind, and he's gone. Imran has struck again. Vengsakar caught behind, and India have lost their third wicket. And what a sensational spell. He's going to be out, caught, and he's gone. Imran has struck again. Gavaskar out, caught behind, playing away from his body.
Imran to Amarnath.
He's out, fifth wicket gone. Amarnath bowled, and India are in real trouble. 5 down for 34, and Imran has taken his fifth wicket.
He could be out, caught, and he's gone. A great, magnificent catch by the wicketkeeper. What a